just adding in that acrylic paint. And it doesn't
takes colour well, doesn't it?
It does, and it doesn't take anything away from the actual medium that it is. It still sets like a latex. It still is perfect every single time. So I'm mixing it together. I love this.
What other things can I use to colour this with? Is it just acrylic paint?
I personally would just use acrylic because acrylic paint is a high pigment colour, but then also it's weak enough that it won't actually break down the compound of the latex. So now I'm mixing in flakes. Now these are like textured flakes. Now look at this, it looks positively furry. It's so clever.
You could put that stuff that furs things up. What's it called? That
the fluff.
texture? Yeah,
you could put fluff in.
Powder.
Yeah, you could put fluff in there.
Flocking. Flocking,
that always
fluffing.
makes me laugh.
What, flocking?
Flocking. I don't know why.
Well, I do. Sounds like a swear word. That's
of course
why,
it
isn't
does. That's what it is, isn't it? Right, I'm just going to grab another piece of paper. Isn't that lush? Think about adding this to your project. I'm just going to pop this into the corner. Obviously, you could mask it down as well if you wanted. But look,
you could use a palette knife or a lolly stick.
Of course, and you get that beautiful, thick. And of course, you can sort of texturise it as well, even more.
Stipple it.
Yeah, it's brilliant, isn't it? I love it, absolutely love it. So of course, you remove your stencil. Perfect medium.
Now you've got a bleed on the edge. Can I just wipe that straight off?
Of course you can. And what I would wipe it off with is a good old-fashioned wet wipe.
And it'll just come straight off.
Now, because I put the acrylic paint in, the acrylic is staining, but you can see, look at that texture. When that dries, that will be furry.
Fabulous.